Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to rename any app on your Android phone. Step-by-step guide. Here's what we will cover. What you need to rename apps on Android. How to use a custom launcher to change app names. How to save and apply your new app name. Let us get started. To rename any app on your Android phone, start by installing a custom launcher like Nova Launcher or Microsoft Launcher, since most Android phones don't allow app renaming by default. Once installed, set it as your default launcher. Then go to your app drawer, long press the app icon you want to rename, and select Edit or the pencil icon. Enter the new name you want for the app and tap Done or Save. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart Android tips and tricks. Got any questions or want us to cover other phone features? Drop them in the comments below. And hey, this method works using third-party launchers and won't rename apps for everyone. So make sure to use trusted apps from the Play Store. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.